Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Command Prompt so you can run commands directly. Type CMD and start, then press Enter. Once done, decide if you need admin rights and choose Run as Administrator. Elevated mode matters for system tasks like changing services or editing protected files. If speed matters, press Win+R and enter CMD to launch a quick session. Make sure the window title shows your account and whether it's elevated. That tells you which permissions you have. Once the prompt is open, navigate with CD then list with dir. Use TAB for fast autocomplete. Change to the folder you need because relative paths matter. Run ipconfig to check network details, ping to test connectivity, or task list to see running processes. When you need to save results, redirect with to overwrite or to append, and use the pipe symbol to chain commands. Make sure commands match your current directory, and that file names use correct extensions. To finish, exit the session with Exit, or clear the screen with CLS if you'll keep it open. You can review recent commands using DOSKey/history and copy output for notes. Before you leave, save any command output redirected to a file so nothing is lost. If something goes wrong, make sure the command is spelled correctly, confirm your path includes required tools, and try running the prompt as administrator. Permissions and wrong paths are the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.